Welcome traveler, today I am taking you to multiple areas throughout Tennessee.
Awesome, let's go. Did you know the first European person to set foot in the area known as Tennessee was Hernando de Soto? His expedition landed at Tampa Bay in 1540. Before the arrival of the Europeans in the state, the land was settled by the Cherokee and Chickasaw Native American tribes.
We have arrived. Did you know Tennessee was named after the Tennessee River, named for the Indian word Tennessee, the name of a Cherokee village?
The capital city of Tennessee is Nashville, known for its music, hospitality, and exotic food. Named after American Revolutionary War hero Francis Nash, is the first city to receive an FM broadcasting license back in 1941. From affordable Southern cooking and international cuisine to the fun bachelorette spot for friends, the city offers something to everyone.
Nashville, the largest city in Tennessee, was founded on Christmas Eve in 1779. Nashville was historically nicknamed the Athens of the South.
Memphis is the second largest city in Tennessee and the largest city by population. The year 1878 was not a good time for Memphis. Memphis is the second largest city in Tennessee and the largest city by population. The year 1878 was not a good time for Memphis. During this unfortunate time, the yellow fever epidemic struck the town. By about 1860, 1 in 4 people in Tennessee were slaves. Slavery at the time was a very harsh system in society, and the slaves had few legal rights. Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated in Memphis. The leader played a prominent role in the civil rights movement and won a Nobel Peace Prize. 38 battles during the Civil War were fought on the soil of Tennessee.
There is a law in Tennessee that prohibits a person from roller skating and listening to the radio simultaneously. All types of skates are part of this law. If more than 8 women live together in a house, it's considered a house of ill repute. Whether this is the case or not, doing so is illegal in Tennessee. Oak Ridge is recognized as the energy capital of Tennessee because of the ongoing energy research. It is also where the atomic bomb was developed so many years ago.
Residents of Tennessee don't pay taxes on their personal income. Businesses pay taxes on their income, and sales taxes are high in this state. Living cost is 10% lower than the national average. You will also find that housing is also 20% lower.
As the sun sets, Tennessee come to life. From the beautiful city lights to the state parks, Tennessee offers some of the most incredible places to catch the sunrise and sunset. From cypress forests and lakefront campsites to misty gorges and tucked-away cabins, Tennessee state parks provide a myriad of spots to take in the sunrise or sunset.
Nashville is most famous for its status as the longtime capital of country music. Bristol is recognized as the birthplace of country music. Memphis musicians have had an enormous influence on blues, early rock and roll, R&B, and soul music, as well as an increasing presence in rap.
No matter what time you visit, you won't find a more picturesque mountain town than Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Gatlinburg is perfect for nature lovers since it offers access to the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. It is arguably the most famous mountain town. Gatlinburg is also known for its high number of weddings. Only Las Vegas hosts more weddings in America than a Smoky Mountain city. The construction of the first house started in 1802. The first residents didn't arrive in Gatlinburg till 1807.
Some places in Gatlinburg are rumored to be haunted, so you can decide whether to believe it or not. Tennessee has much more to offer than you ever thought. Nestled in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains in Tennessee, Gatlinburg and Pigeon Forge offer a unique blend of outdoor beauty, family-friendly attractions, and southern charm. These mountains are home to an estimated 1,500 black bears, with roughly 2 per square mile. Born and raised in a small cabin in Sevierville, Dolly Parton is arguably the most famous native of the region. The Smoky Mountains were her childhood playground, and she remains incredibly proud of her roots.
You're never more than an hour from a state park when you're in Tennessee. Please let us know if you want us to revisit Tennessee and talk about more areas, like Dolly World and the island in Pigeon Forge. There is always fun to be had with friends or on a vacation with family. Like and subscribe for more adventures.
Thank you for watching. Leave a comment and let us know where you want us to go next.